Alright, I ordered, AQ got my order, I think Monday, and it's Thursday. This is my AQ SDC 2.5 15. Thing's hard to get out. Oh, there goes the camera. Alright. I already had this hooked up in my car just to free air it. I don't have a box for it yet, but that's a weekend project. It looked pretty good, moving up and down and whatnot. Nice excursion. Sorry, my bed's a mess. I'm just 15. I have massive hands, so that is like double stitch on the surround. It's stiff. Can barely move it. Dual 4, like all of them are. My already cut wires because I had it hooked up. It's yeah, boot.